Have to say I'm pretty happy with this Cathedral print design. Anyways, some parts I did. Even the flat surfaces, very well modeled. Very well modeled. No supports needed anywhere. And then I sliced up a bigger part. I was at work slicing up some of the larger parts for this model. This is what the candle holder looks like when it's finished. And some of the slices were going to take about 2 days to print. And then I came home to this here. Print head anomaly detected. Please troubleshoot. I think supposedly this was fixed with a software update. Tell me this printer didn't leave the factory with this, you know. They test these printers at the factory, and I'm sure these problems came up. But, you know, like typical, they just ship them out, let the customers deal with it. And as I was slicing up my models yesterday, I came across a video, some guy doing a lot of troubleshooting with some problems on this machine, which, you know, similar. I mean, behind me I have the Anycubic Cobra combo machine, which yeah, that's got a stack of pancake problems too. On the side of me, here's the Soval SV08, which now is a nice machine, but definitely needed some work. So, anyways, I come home to this here. Yeah, deal with it. Well, check this out. Pretty nice, huh? No supports. What? Yeah. Almost finished. Almost finished. 98.44% finished. Thanks, ELEGOO. Thank you very much. This is a part of my Cathedral project here. Yeah, probably end up in Facebook jail now, right? Not the first time. Yeah, I'm probably going to try to fix this model. Just print that little 2% I have left. And I'm going to check in the update on here, see if that fixes it. But also with the Soval SV08 over here, what people found with a similar problem to this was that they needed a ferrite core on the wires that go from the print head to the printer. There was some kind of interference. So I'm going to put one of these on somewhere on that line. There's different sizes here. These don't cost much. Hopefully they'll fix the problem. But yeah, it was an issue with the Soval. And then I'm going to put this in line. This is a Bowden tube break, you know, for butt end connections. You could take your tubing apart. I'm going to take that sharp turn off the print head, which really caused a lot of friction in your print path, which I found out on the Anycubic machine. Filament was just like tough in there, really tough. This would probably be real nice in resin, but I'm not going to do that. And I do have about 50 liters of resin, but I just don't like resin printing. Yeah. Someday I'm going to be living in China, people, probably about a year, and I'll be a little more hands-on at the factories, hopefully. I'm a few hours away from Shenzhen, but there are some possibilities there. Take care. Happy printing. Not happy about this because I know it left the factory like that. Let the customer deal with it. Let the customer solve it. Right? Typical printer, 3D printer company's behavior. Why bother stopping production? Figure something out. We'll figure it out later. Take care. Happy printing. ELEGOO. No, not good.